Pizza Wednesday, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizzas again. There's 24 of these altogether. We're literally just going to work our way through this list until they're done. Every now and again, I'm going to throw in a bonus episode of just like cooking some regular pizzas. So this pizza is from episode 58, the gang's all here, and the topping is chocolate chip. Now, when I first heard that one, I thought it was chocolate chips, just like little chocolate chips that you'd put on top of a cake or something. It's not. I watched the episode, and you can clearly see on the picture, let me just flash it up. That's not chocolate chips, that's chocolate chip cookies on a pizza. So, we're doing a chocolate chip cookie pizza. Not in your typical fashion, where you'd maybe just like make a pizza base, and put some nice chocolate and stuff like that on it and make a dessert pizza. This is literally a cheese and tomato pizza with chocolate chip cookies on it. Because as you can see from the picture, that is exactly what it looks like. So, I've got my dough ready. Let's dough. Okay, so let's get this topped. So, as you saw from the picture of the chocolate chip pizza, it literally just looked like a tomato and cheese pizza. So, some tomato sauce, some cheese, and some chocolate chip cookies. Now, I have been trying to do these differently where possible, but I don't see how I could do this one any different. It literally just looks like chocolate chip cookies on a pizza. I don't see how I could have done another variation of this. Maybe I could have. I don't know. And that is our chocolate chip pizza ready to go in. So let's get this one in the stove. Chocolate chip cookie pizza is ready. Ooh. It looks good, but I don't think it's going to taste very good. And here we have our finished chocolate chip pizza. Well, actually chocolate chip cookie pizza. So let's give our chocolate chip pizza a try. Work out how to cook into this without breaking all the cookies. They're quite soft actually. Take a slice off. This one looks nice. I mean, it looks completely weird, but it looks nice. I guess we've got to see what it tastes like.
A chocolate chip pizza! Chocolate chip pizza!
Try a little bit more. It literally tastes like exactly what it is. Warm cookies on a cheese and tomato pizza. I mean, when you get a bite of the cookie, you don't really notice the cheese and tomato pizza. It's just like eating a weird warm cookie. Yeah, it's not something I'd choose to eat, but it's not terrible. If you made that with a bit of a sweeter dough, maybe use some chocolate on it instead of like tomato sauce or some jam. Maybe use jam instead of your tomato sauce. Put a bit of white chocolate instead of your cheese. I think that'd actually be really nice. Maybe something to try for the future. So, that will be everything for today. I'm going to take this and see if the kids want to give it a go.
Oh, those turtles! They'll pay dearly for this!